Hello beautiful people. Now I have been so lucky that a company has gifted me this amazing bodysuit. Now when I tell you it is so comfortable, I'm not lying, it is so comfy. Now if you're wanting full compression, I could definitely have sized down in this. I got the 5X and she's roomy because with bodysuits you never know. You know, you size down and then they're really small, but this one is super comfy. Super soft. I love it. Little bit of a rib fabric. Now it is the short style, which I love because summer chub rub, it's real. But I'm going to show you how I would go through and style it. So I went to good old Kmart yesterday and I saw these linen pants and the brown tones match perfectly. In with Kmart, this beautiful linen top. It's just to be more breathable throughout the day. This is looking cute. All right, I'm not mad at it. Like I said, this is something that's super out of my comfort zone. Like this in black, I would wear to work, everywhere. Brown, I was like, okay, this is different for me. But this is super cute. Super comfortable. The fabrics are going to be really breathy. This isn't too thick, so I'm not going to melt in this, which is great. I've just teamed it with some really cute little pearl earrings. I look cute, guys. What do you all think? Would you wear this outfit? Massive thank you to the company for sending me this. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this.